What if grammar was not boring, but magical? Welcome to Grammar Town, a bright and cheerful world where words are alive and learning feels like an adventure. In this town lived some tiny heroes called prepositions. They were small words, but they had big power. Their job? To show where, when, and how things happen. Every morning, the prepositions met under the old mango tree. There was in, on, under, behind, between, and near. They were excited because today a new learner was about to arrive. Suddenly, a curious boy named Ravi walked into Grammar Town. He looked around and asked, "Why do my sentences sound confusing sometimes?" "Ha!" In smiled and said, "Because sentences need direction." On quickly placed a book on the table. "See this?" On said proudly. "When I join with a noun, we become a prepositional phrase on the table." Suddenly, under appeared and gently pushed a cat under the chair. "Grammar becomes clear," under laughed. "When you know exactly where things are." Behind rolled a ball, behind the door. Between stood between two trees. Near waved happily near the window. Each time Ravi watched, his eyes lit up brighter. Tupa. Just then, the wise teacher of Grammar Town appeared and said, "Remember, kids, a prepositional phrase always starts with a preposition and ends with a noun or pronoun. It adds extra meaning and makes sentences powerful." Ravi tried using them himself. The dog slept on the floor. The bird flew over the house. We met after school. Suddenly, Grammar Town sparkled with joy. Ravi smiled and said, "Grammar is not scary anymore. It's fun." And from that day on, Ravi became confident in English, all because of the magic of prepositional phrases. If you want grammar stories like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Practice time! Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition. Number 1. The pen is blank the box. 2. The boy sat blank the tree. 3. We will meet blank lunch. Pause the video and try yourself. Answers. Number 1. The pen is in the box. Number 2. The boy sat under the tree. Number 3. We will meet after lunch. Great job! Keep practicing and grammar will feel magical.
Subscribe, share, like, and comment on my channel.